Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get right into it. So today I will be doing my first set of Christmas nails. I will be doing the lazy girl method. And here I'm just taking my hand file to file the back and the free edge to remove the piece of plastic. And once I've done that for all the nails, I'm just taking my Saviland base coat and I'm just going to paint a layer over all my nails and then cure in a nail lamp for 30 seconds. Then once I have all that cured, I'm just taking my base coat once again. I'm just painting a thin layer over the nail tip and then I'm going to add some glitter. I'm just going to pour the glitter in, making sure that it covers the whole entire nail. Press it down a little bit and then tap off the excess glitter back into the jar. And then I'm going to cure this in a nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then once that's all cured, I'm just adding a little bit of white polygel just to make sure I have something to attach the nail. When you get to this point, you want to make sure when you're putting the nail on and you press it down to the nail, you want to make sure that you clean up the cuticle area for any polygel that leaks out the nail before you cure. And then for the next finger, I'm going to add the red. I wanted to do like an ombre for this, so I started with the top color, which is red. But once I put the white in, it kind of just looks like a low smile line, so I wasn't too upset about this nail. It didn't come out too bad. So once I got the red a little bit how I wanted, I added the white and then started brushing that up. And also I'm using 70% rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. I just put in the white, and like I said, I was going for an ombre, but obviously it didn't turn out that way. It just looked like a low smile line, so I just kept that look. It was okay with me. And I really don't talk in my videos unless, you know, is what I'm doing. But this morning I finally reached 100 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and also hit that like button. And yeah, I'm just going to the next nail, and for this nail I wanted to do like a half diagonal with the red and white, but it didn't turn out how I wanted to. I couldn't get the red as straight as I wanted to once I added the white, because I couldn't cure it yet because I wouldn't have anything to stick to my nail. The red would already be hard. So you'll see what I do if you keep watching to save this nail. Yeah, I'm just making sure that the red is as straight as I could get it. And then once I figured that the red was pretty good, I just added the white in the remaining space, making sure that it covers all the little creases. And I actually think it was pretty good, but when I pressed it down on my nail, the red kind of went down. That's what made the line a little crooked, because it wasn't cured. So when I pressed it down to my nail, the red kind of went down, and that's how it looked. And then for the next nail, I'm gonna be adding these snowflakes. I'm gonna be using the gold, so I'm just adding a layer of base coat to my nail, and then I'm gonna put in some little gold snowflakes. But these were a little hard to get in, so I will like skip through because it was pretty hard because they wouldn't lay flat. By it's the inside of the nail, it's more curved than the outside, so I just tried to add more base coat and then hold them down in the light, which I did off camera because like I said, I was having a difficult time. So I'm just adding these, and then once I get it how I got it, I cured it in a nail lamp, and then these are how they look. And then with this same nail, I'm taking the white because I wanted a white background with, you know, the snowflakes on top. I'm just adding the white polygel, and then I'm smoothing it out, the same as the other nails. And with this nail, I don't know what happened, but once I put the white on and I put it on my nail, it's like the white slipped under the snowflakes, so the snowflakes didn't show as much. But I will add some little gold studs at the end to save this nail. And then for my thumbnail, I'm just taking my base coat again, and then I'm going to be adding some glitter because I wanted a glitter ombre. So instead of dipping in the nail in the thing or like pouring it, I'm just taking my brush to make sure that it's not so heavy. Like I'm adding more glitter towards the tip of the nail and then going up with less glitter. And when using glitter, you want to make sure that you do these last if you can, because this glitter will be everywhere. So as you can see, I didn't put much at the top as I did at the tip. And then once I finished doing that, I cured this glitter to make sure that it didn't move when I add the polygel. And then I'm just going in with some red, putting a layer over the whole nail. And then I'm going to place it on my nail and cure it, making sure I clean up any areas that the polygel spilled. And then once I finished applying all the nails, I cured my nails for another minute or so to make sure that they were completely attached to my nail. And then I'm just taking my hand file to file the nails, reshaping, getting off the excess polygel that may have came from underneath the free edge, and also filing near the cuticle if needed, and also over the surface of the nails. And I did a little more filing with my AIFAIFA off camera, but once I done that, I'm just taking 70% rubbing alcohol and just wiping off the nails, making sure to remove the dust. And these are how they look so far. And I wasn't too happy with the index and middle finger, so I'm just taking these gold studs. Since I did use gold glitter, I'm just taking some, I think this is top coat. I'm just painting a layer down the middle where the colors meet, and then I'm taking these gold studs and just putting it on the line as straight as I can to kind of cover up the crooked line. And then I'm going to cure this and then move on to the other finger. And then once I had that finger cured, I'm just going on to the next nail. The only two snowflakes that was bothering me was the ones near the cuticle because they didn't show as good as the other ones. So I'm just taking these gold rhinestones and just placing them randomly near the top of the nail, and it looks better. And then I cured that, and then next I'm taking the top coat once again and just painting a layer over all the nails, and then I'm going to cure my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then once I had that cured, these are how the nails turned out. The gold rhinestones really complemented the gold actually. It turned out cute to me. And as always, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the 100 subscribers that I have, I just want to say thank you for coming back to watch my videos. And if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you do, and also hit that like button. And I will see you in the next video.